Good afternoon. This is Tom Alexander. It is Sunday, September 10th. It is about 3 p.m. Eastern Time in beautiful Charleston, South Carolina. This is the weekend video report that is an addendum to the written report that I send out. It's also posted on the website. If you go to alexandertrading.com, click on weekend updates, it's free. If you want to get on my mailing list and receive notifications of this and other free reports that I send out, go to Tom at alexandertrading.com, shoot me an email. I'll put you on the mailing list. Also, if you find value in this, please like, subscribe, etc. You know the drill. Okay, a couple of general comments regarding next week. It is a big week from a news perspective. There are numerous economic reports beginning Wednesday that could have the potential to be significant market movers. They culminate on Friday with CPI, and the market is fixated on these things at the moment. There are times when you're trading where there is no edge. Now, if you're a long-term investor, that's fine. You're invested, you stay invested, you buy on dips. But if you're a trader of shorter duration than that, whether you're a swing trader of weeks to months or a swing trader of days, or you're a day trader, there are certain market conditions that are more ideal and more conducive to finding an edge than others. This is one of those times that, again, unless you're just a passive investor sitting on a bunch of mutual funds, there's no edge here. I don't care what anyone on financial TV says or Twitter says. The next 5% move from where we are is absolutely a coin flip. Now, the good news is that by Friday afternoon, there could well be some clarity in the market. Certainly, we don't have that now. So I can't tell you what's going to happen between now and Friday, but we can take a look at some charts and I can show you some important levels that we want to be watching. We want to be looking at these levels because the market will trade into these levels probably no later than Friday's close. Those will be significant inflection points. Those will be levels from where there can be had an edge. But from where the market's closed on Friday, there's no edge. Enjoy being a screen-based trader. Part of being a screen-based trader is the option to do nothing. Doing nothing is trading. This is a great time to do nothing. Okay, let's take a look at some charts. And this is going to be relatively short and sweet because there's not much to say. I'm just going to show you weekly charts this week because those are the levels that matter. And on the screen here, I mentioned this last week, the market is making higher highs and higher lows. The trend is up. Now, the upper extreme is around, in the SPX is around 46.07, to the downside around 43.39. We close pretty close to the midpoint of that range on Friday in the SPX. Move over to, let's look at the index. Very, very similar, very near the midpoint of the upper extreme and the lower extreme. The Russell. Now, the Russell, it has a different market structure. This level, the 1820s are an important level in the Russell. And then Thursday's high would be of secondary importance. And then the absolutely critical level is this to the upside, is this level around that begins around 2006 and moves up into maybe 2030, the low 2030s. And then last but not least, the Dow. And the Dow is a very similar position. You have last Wednesday's low, you have Thursday's high, and then you have this level to the downside here. You can see these levels. These levels are on the charts that are on the website if you want to go back and review them. I'm not even going to bother to show you the technical situation of the market, the technical situation as defined by NYSE data, because it's going to change. It's going to change dramatically by Friday. There are ways to trade this for sure, but that's not, I'm trying to give you gross analysis here. Those of you that are facile with options trading, you're facile with trading combinations of options and futures. This is a neutral situation. There are ways to construct trades, delta neutral trades using options, using futures, et cetera, that go beyond the scope of what this update is about. From a market condition perspective, we're neutral. And again, the next 5% move is a coin flip, and no one knows which way this thing's going to move. So enjoy next week. Have fun. And if you're unsure about what's going on, there's nothing wrong with just waiting until there's clarity. As soon as there's clarity, I will send out another update. I will speak with you guys again soon.